Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section. Really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look at XRP on our daily time frame here. As we can see then, XRP basically still just sitting at that level of support that we have been sitting at for a good while. As you can see quite clearly on the charts here, we have been chopping sideways for a good while at this near this support level for XRP. Bitcoin's sideways bearish price action has been leading to XRP chopping sideways and getting absolutely crushed in terms of its price. Really, we haven't been seeing much upwards price action for XRP at all, have we? You can see we're very much kind of still stuck under a level of resistance like this. And overall, we're still very much in the apex of things here. A lot of cryptos have started breaking down from some of their local levels or big bear market support levels. XRP here very close to potentially breaking down. Overall, I think XRP will be fine in the long run, but in this local short-term area, we are in danger of potentially falling down towards 40 cents. If we do break down from this level here, obviously Bitcoin looking a bit more bullish today, so hopefully Bitcoin sorts its shit out, goes to a new swing high, and altcoins get some joyous relief. But right now, XRP very much just waiting to see whether or not Bitcoin will drop the axe.